Hello friends, good morning all of you. In previous class we have already discussed about your multiplexer, and in today's class we will discuss your demultiplexer. And know one thing, demultiplexer is always the reverse of your multiplexer. Your demultiplexer is the reverse of your multiplexer, and in your multiplexer it has several number of data input and one output. Clear? In your multiplexer it has several numbers of data input and one output, but in DMUX it has one data input and many output. Clear? Demultiplexer is the exactly reverse of your multiplexer, and it has one data input and many output, and your MUX has many data input, one output. Okay, then next point, your data is connected to one of output by many selection lines. Here your data always connected to one of the output by many selection lines. ये सिलेक्शन लाइन के ऊपर डिपेंड करके डाटा इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विथ योर output. Then it is known as your data distributor. What is your MUX called? Your MUX is called as your data selector, and your DMUX is known as your data distributor. And remember one thing, your DMUX is named as 1:n. It is symbolized as 1:n, just like your 1:4 MUX, 1:8 MUX, just example. But your multiplexer was named as n:1. This is the symbol of your multiplexer. Clear? 2:1 MUX, 4:1 MUX, these types of. And n is the number of selection lines, and there is a formula. We know that from formula, that is 2 to the power n, and your n is the number of selection lines. Selection lines. Clear? Your MUX, in your MUX there is several data input and one output, but in your DMUX there is one data input and many output. Data is always connected to one of output by many selection lines, and it is known as your data distributor, and your MUX is known as your data selector, and your DMUX is named as 1:n, 1:n, and n is the number of selection lines. Your n is the number of selection lines. It is the same as your MUX, and 2 to the power n, n's value is the number of selection lines. Then considering about your 1:4 MUX, 1:4, sorry, DMUX, 1:4 DMUX, 1:4 DMUX. Then here we have one input and four output, one input, four output. Then how we draw this? Here one input, four output, and selection line is your 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2, that is selection line is equal to 2. Then the block diagram. One is to 4 DMUX. This is your 1:4 DMUX. One input I, then four output Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. These are four outputs, one input, and selection line is your two selection lines, S1, S0. Clear? One input, four output, two selection lines. According to our formula, 2 to the power 2 is your selection line 2, n's value is your selection line, n is equal to 2, then your selection lines are 2. Then we will draw the truth table. Truth table. Clear? S1, S0, clear? Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Clear? Then I is present everywhere. In each and every condition, I is present as the input term. Then 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Then now we'll see in output box what will be the value, either it is on condition or off condition. Then see, the value of S1 is 0 and S0 is 0. Both are in complement form. Then 0 0's decimal value is 0. Then Y0 will be on, because here Y's value is 0. Then here it will be on condition, symbolized as 1. The rest conditions will be 0. Clear? Then next 0 1's decimal 1. So this place will be highlighted and rest of the points will be 0. 1 0 is your 2 here, decimal number 2, 1 0 2. Then it will be on, highlighted. Rest part will be 0. The last one is 1 1. Its decimal is 3, 1. Then rest positions will be 0. Clear? This is the truth table of your 1:4 DMOX. Okay. Now moving towards the outputs value. What will be the outputs value in Y0? What is the value of Y0? Y0 is equal to I. I is always present. I. S1 here is in complement form and S0 is in complement form, as its value is 0. 0 0 I1 S1 bar S0 bar. Then your Y1 is equal to 0 1 I S1 bar S0. Y2 is equal to I S1 S0 bar, and your Y3 is equal to I S1's value 1 and S0's value 1. S1 S0. Clear? These are your 4 conditions, 4 outputs. Now we will draw the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOX. Okay. Now we will draw the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 MOX. Then first हम लोग यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिख लेंगे. We'll write the values of Y. Y0 is equal to I0 S1 bar S0 bar. Clear? Your Y1 is equal to I S1 bar S0. Y2 is equal to I S1 S0 bar. Then Y3 is equal to I S1 S0. Clear? These are the 4 values of your output. And taking these values, we will draw the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOX. Taking these values, we will draw the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOX. Then this line is your input line. It is present in every conditions. Then this is your S0. This condition is your S0. Sorry, S1. This is the inverting line, means this is S1 bar. Then this is your S0 condition, sorry, S0 line, and this is your complement form. There is a inverter is connected here, and this part is your S0 bar. Okay. Clear? Lines completed हो गए. Then your first term is Y0 is equal to I. This is I, not I0. I S1 bar S0 bar. Then I S1 bar, this line S1 bar S0 bar, and these 3 are connected with each other in multiplication form. These are the dot points. These 3 lines are connected with each other in multiplication form. That means in digital electronics it is your AND gate. Here is a AND gate. This is your Y0. Then Second one is your I1 S1 bar S0. I S1 bar S0 and get Y1. Next Y2 I S1 S0 bar. I S1 S0 bar. Y2. Then third is I S1 S0. I S1 S0. I S1 S0. S1 S0. Y3. Clear? This is the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOS. This is the logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOS. These lines are your output lines Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. समझ में आया? Your demultiplexer is known as your DMOS. Again explaining, your demultiplexer is known as your DMOS and it has one data input and many output. It has one data input and many output. Data is always connected to one of output by many selection lines and it is known as your data distributor. And how we name the DMOS? 1:n. And how we name the MOS? n:1. And the selection line will be depend according to the capital N. Selection line will depend according to the capital N. That capital N's value is equal to 2 to the power n. And the small n's value is your selection line. Then we will draw the logic diagram of 1:4 DMOS. Then there is 1 input, 4 output, 2 selection lines. Then we will draw the truth table and according to the truth table we will find the outputs here, that is 4 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Then 4 value obtained here and by the help of these values we will draw the logic circuit diagram of our DMOS 1:4 DMOS. This is your logic circuit diagram of your 1:4 DMOS. It is all about your 1:4 DMOS. If any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. And next class we will read about your 1:8 DMOS. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.